Hi everyone, today I am reviewing none other than the Ganiza countertop blender, and I have right here the NutriBullet. I'm not reviewing that in today's video, but I have reviewed that in another video, so feel free to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell because I am reviewing not only the NutriBullet here but a lot of other blenders and giving you guys my thoughts, pros and cons, and the whole gamut. So let's jump right into it. This one is the Ganiza. This is a much cheaper version. You can see it has the suction cups too on the bottom, similar to the NutriBullet. Very similar suction cups. The NutriBullet is, of course, you can see right here, much larger, a lot bigger, and a lot heavier than this one here. And there's good reason to it because basically the motor of this NutriBullet is a lot more powerful, and this is a lot more in terms of the cost. So this one's a lot cheaper. I will leave a link down below in the description if you guys are interested to purchase this one. But you get a lot of value for this product. And these are basically the items that it comes with. If you guys are interested, you can pause the video here to read what it comes with. But basically, you can see it comes with a lot of things. And actually, there's another version of the NutriBullet that I had before. I've reviewed it here on the channel. They don't provide you as much as these guys. These guys give you a variety of the rubber gaskets, different type of blender glasses, from the very small one to the medium to even large. And they do a phenomenal job of giving you the value that you need as opposed to a couple of the other ones. And again, if you guys want to pause the video, you're more than welcome to pause the video. But let's jump into it and see how it sounds. And I want to test it out to the NutriBullet here and see, compare it and let you guys feel and see which one's louder and how it does the job. Alright, y'all, so I just filled this up with some liquid. Let's go ahead and put it down over here. Push it in, twist it. It is for sure a lot louder than the NutriBullet. That's all I can say with this one. But you can see it does a phenomenal job of utilizing its power to basically blend it. There's no doubt about that. So it does a really good job in terms of that. Loudness, though, for sure is louder than the NutriBullet. Not only the one that I've shown you this earlier, but the other lower grade NutriBullet. But this product cuts the price of it, it just cuts it in half, and it does the same job. So my thoughts on this is a pretty good product. It's not bad at all. You get a lot of value for it. So those are my thoughts on the Ganiza. I will leave a link down below in the description if you guys are interested to purchase it. And again, subscribe for more videos because I am reviewing a variety of different blenders here on the channel, giving you my thoughts on the quality and what it provides. So in terms of the design of this, again, it's very similar to the lower grade NutriBullet. It is cheaper than the lower grade one, and it's just basically a copy of it. So if you're interested, again, I'll leave a link down below in the description if you'd like to purchase this. Comment down below if you've tried the NutriBullet or the Ganiza or a different brand blender. I know there's Shark out there, which I've reviewed here on the channel, so you can be able to search for that video. But let me know. Let me know down in the comment section if you have a better blender out there you'd like me to review here on the channel, or your thoughts on one of them that you've used in the past that you like. So if that's it, thanks for watching. Press the like button, subscribe. So check you guys out next video.